If you're seeing Outlook error 552, also known as quota exceeded or mailbox full, don't worry, because this usually means the recipient's inbox is full, not yours. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to understand the error and what to do next so you can get your email delivered successfully. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, it's important to know what Outlook error 552 actually means. In most cases, this is not a problem with your Outlook app, your computer, or even your internet connection. Instead, the mail server is telling you that the person you're sending to has run out of mailbox space. That means their inbox may be full, their deleted items may be overloaded, or their junk folder may be taking up too much storage. So the first fix is to ask the recipient to clean up their mailbox. Tell them to delete old emails they no longer need, especially messages with large attachments. They should also empty their junk folder and trash folder because those folders can still count toward mailbox storage. Once they free up space, try sending the email again. If you're sending to a work or school address, the mailbox quota may be controlled by an organization's email policy. In that case, the recipient may need to contact their IT administrator to increase the mailbox limit or clear server storage. This is especially common in business environments where inbox sizes are restricted. Now, if the error still appears after the recipient clears space, the next thing you should do is reduce the size of your attachments. Large files can make delivery more difficult and may trigger additional mailbox or server limits. Instead of attaching huge files directly, try compressing them first, or split them into smaller files if possible. A better option is to use cloud storage services like OneDrive or Dropbox. Upload your file there, then send the sharing link in your Outlook message. This is often the easiest and most reliable way to send large documents, videos, or image folders without running into size or quota issues. You can also double check that the address you're sending to is correct. Sometimes an email bounce looks like a quota issue, but the real problem may be a mistyped address or a server-side delivery restriction. So if the mailbox is definitely not full, confirm the recipient address and try again. Another helpful step is to resend the message later. If the recipient has already started clearing space, but the server hasn't updated yet, waiting a little while can sometimes resolve the issue automatically. Mail systems don't always refresh instantly, so a short delay can make a difference. To summarize, Outlook error 552 usually means the recipient's mailbox is full. The main fix is to have them delete old emails and empty their junk folder. If that doesn't solve it, reduce attachment sizes or use OneDrive or Dropbox instead. That's the fastest way to work around the problem and get your message sent. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Outlook fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.